Welcome to this tutorial on how to register and submit an abstract for the FENS Forum 2026. First, go to fensforum.org. Under Registration, click Registration Information. Then, select Register Now to access the registration platform. If you do not have a profile, please enter your email and click Create Profile. If you attended the Forum 2024, you already have a profile and can proceed to log in. For any issues, you can reach us at these email addresses. You may start by clicking on the Register button. Abstract submission will be available after you complete your registration. Welcome to the FENS Forum registration portal. Please read the information carefully, have your credit card ready if paying by card, and fill in all required details. Here, you can enter your personal and professional information and indicate if the invoice should go to a different recipient. If you belong to a FENS society, enter your FENS member ID and password. If you are a member of a FENS partner, you will be asked to add your proof of membership. Lastly, request a letter of invitation if needed, then click Next. Review the registration benefits and select your category. If you wish, you can learn more about our 5 technical workshops and sign up. Then click Next. Optionally, add a ticket for the Jump the FENS party and/or buy a FENS branded reusable bottle. You can also check accessibility information if needed and then click Next. Here, you can review the childcare policy and rules for children under 18. You can book childcare by clicking Add or continue to the next page. Review your data and bookings and then select a payment method. Please note, your registration will only be confirmed when payment is received. If you plan to submit an abstract, it will only be considered if both the registration and the abstract submission payments are completed by the deadline. Finally, agree to the terms, and then click the Register button. Congratulations! Your registration is submitted. Now you can submit your abstract by clicking Back to Forum Profile and then Submit View Submission. Scroll to the Abstract Submission platform and click New Submission. Confirm that you agree to the Data Security Agreement. Start by filling your abstract category, topics, title, and text. You can also submit an image or a table. For images, please add a short description for accessibility. Add up to 5 keywords. Create a poster group code to place your poster with others, and optionally, show your interest in submitting a virtual poster. You can also opt in for the Early Career Training Program emails, then save to continue later or save and next. Click Add Author and fill in the details. Your name and email are automatically added as presenting author. Add affiliations, save, and repeat for additional authors. Click Next when done. If you are eligible, you may apply for a travel grant here. Otherwise, a message will explain why you cannot apply. Then, click Save and Next. Confirm that all abstract information is correct, then agree to the terms, and then click Save and Next. Click Pay Abstract Fee to complete payment. Then click Next, review your draft, and click Submit to finalize your submission. You will see a confirmation and receive an email. Please remember that your abstract will be considered only if both the registration and the abstract submission payments are received by the deadline. If you need any help, you can reach us at these email addresses. We are looking forward to welcoming you at the FENS Forum 2026.